Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to get Gango. We're going to eat Gango. So I thought I'd take you with me because girl, I'm not gonna go anywhere and not take you guys. So let's go and eat Gango and you come along with me. This is the vlog, okay? This December, take your family there. Like I hope as a 10. I'm gonna do a review after. But anything sadza, if you see yourself not saving sadza like the way you're supposed to save it, like it's obviously a restaurant. But I'm sure it's gonna be a good one because it's sadza. Like, how can you mess up sadza? Like, how? So, let's go and eat some food. To put clothes. No, you can't. Friend, so we are here, but then it's like we saw it. I think my husband saw it on TikTok or something. So it's not like in the vibe, like Gango areas. Like if you know a Gango place, it gives Gango, like it gives Ghetto, gives Gango. So now he's like, okay, let me just go and check because there is no sitting area. We're gonna have to maybe get the food and go somewhere else. Yeah, because there's no sitting area here. So yeah, I'm waiting for them to check it out and maybe we'll go to another place We might even end up not even eating the gango. Maybe we're gonna go and eat something else. But I was really looking forward to the gango, okay? And then after this, I'm probably gonna start. Let me not tell you because at this point it's embarrassing. The amount of times I've started and stopped, it's not embarrassing. Like, I'm embarrassing myself. I think right now, this time around, I'm just gonna do it and I'm not gonna tell anyone. I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna keep it to myself. That's how embarrassing I feel right now. Like, how embarrassed. More like embarrassed. Like, I'm not gonna tell you guys. Like, you're gonna see with the results, or you're gonna see with the progress. I'm gonna show you like before and after, but I'm not gonna tell you anymore. Like, I think at this point you're fed up of me. I'm fed up of myself too. Like any child. At least I'm not giving up. Like, at least I still have the will to keep going, to keep coming back to it, you know, to keep restarting, guys. Because the real deal is really like, as long as you come back, as long as you keep trying. So yeah, I will talk to you, friend, when like they come back and we have a feedback if we're staying here or we're looking for another place.
Gango, you know, Gango style. Yeah.
To the military. To the military. I feel like eating those shoes. You think they're safe to eat? Do you think they are safe to eat? Hmm?
She's cutting. Hello? So for a mass bag.
I'm counting. Are you counting, Papa? Are you counting?
When do you think let you know, girl?
I actually wanted to tell you that. What? Are you sure? You already paid.
Okay.
Huh? It's so hot. Can I have sweet? Oh, that's not the sweet. Oh, can I have sweet? Nana, can I have sweet, please? That's not a sweet. My tired is tired. I am overstimulated because I have a toddler. Overstimulated Kisana, and it's not even cute. Go watch your games instead.
Which one do you want?
This one. But it's the one I picked up. What is that in Nigeria? Give me $20. Can I have $1? Please? Bye-bye, please. We'll take it from you. Thank you. Let's go and buy chips. Give Mama and I'll go and buy chips.
Song.